Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? Jake Ferendorf here, coming at you with another YouTube video. We're going to switch it up a little bit than what we were doing before. So, most of the time, you usually see my face and everything. We're actually going to be doing a screen recording. So, this is my first time. So, cut me at least a little bit of slack when I go ahead and do this, right? All right. So, pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down the weekly market, what's going on here in the Minneapolis area. So this right here is the report, and I'm actually going to go through with it with you all. So if you find any value from this, go ahead, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also, go ahead, send us subscribe to the channel so that we can get notified when new videos are released. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right. All right, so pretty much this is the weekly activity report here from as you can see from right here, the Minneapolis area of realtors. Minneapolis, Minnesota is the market that I'm in right now. All right, so if you take a look, this is for the week ending on 9/11/2021. So I'm going to read this over with you. Fall brings good news for those looking to purchase a home with Realtor.com, reporting the best time to buy a home is now. According to the best time to buy report, which analyzed listing data back to 2018. Based on the data, analysts found that the period between September 12th and October 17th will offer the most favorable home buying conditions to prospective buyers, as the majority of U.S. markets are predicted to see more homes for sale, less competition, and increased days on the market at any other time this year. All right. So if you look at the bottom right here, in the Twin Cities region for the week ending September 11th, new listings decreased 9% to 1,680. Pending sales decreased 19.5% to 1,141. Inventory decreased 16.9% to 7,971. So basically, what that means is, so check it out, right? So it's predicted that we're going to see more homes for sale and less competition. Why is that when the overall housing market has decreased in actual inventory? Well, I'll tell you why. Because if you go all the way down to this graph, right, you'll see that real estate has a history when it comes to new listings, right? You come to the bottom, up, bottom, up, bottom, up. It's a consistent wave. So because right now we keep on going down in inventory, soon what's going to happen with the majority of the markets is we're going to see a spike. A spike is going to happen in inventory coming up. And with more inventory, that just creates less competition getting the houses, right? So you're not going to be running into the problem with a lot of big financial institutional investors going ahead and getting these properties like we've seen before. So get ready to pull the trigger when it comes to the housing market to buy. It really is getting towards the time to be the best time to buy with the data that's going on right now. All right. So the median sales price increased 11.1% to 350,000. If you're subscribed to my constant contact or my weekly email, you notice that the median price was 342,500. So now it's up to 350,000. It's up. The average home price is up 8,000. No, sorry about that. $7,500 from last month. The days on the market decreased 43.6% to 22. So again, homes are going even faster. It was literally almost double that last month. And percentage of original list price received increased 2.1 to 102.4%. Monthly supply of homes for sale decreased 26.3 to 1.4. All right, so that's kind of the synopsis right there of the weekly activity that's been going on in the Twin Cities so far. So if we can go ahead, take a look at the new listings that are going on. There's significantly, right? Significantly less listings this year than there was last year. Last year the market the market was real hot last year. It seems like what's going on right now across the whole, pretty much across the whole nation, is that it's starting to cool off, right? It's starting to level out a little bit, but there's this huge bubble of people who want to sell who are not yet selling because they're worried. Well, they're pretty much concerned that the home prices is going to go up, 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 and up and up, right? But I mean, I'm sorry, but a $350,000 house will never be $1 million house. Eventually, something's going to stop. Whether it's mortgage rates, um, the less buyer demand, whatever it is, the prices are going to stop escalating and climbing up here pretty soon. What I think, right? Nobody can really be for sure on what's going to happen. If somebody is telling you what is going to happen, then what they're trying to do is sell you something. All right. Nobody has a crystal ball, and nobody really knows what's going to happen. All right, so we take a look at the pending sales. This right here isn't, this isn't any surprise with the listing, with the new listings being down. Pending sales are going down. Like I said, we had such a high demand from last year to this year. Again, that just goes with what I said, that the market's cooling off. So, and I'm just looking through this right now with you all, guys. I didn't look at this before actually making the video. I'm just going through this. Pending sales, again, we're a little bit on a downward slope. Again, it's gonna rebound up. Essentially, the market is going to be taking off here pretty soon. Inventory of homes, again, I keep on repeating myself. Again, there is nothing here that is surprising. I mean, new listings are down, pending sales are down, inventory of homes are down. I mean, guys, look how much the inventory was from last year till this year. So that just shows that we're going to be getting a boom here pretty soon. Historical inventory levels, things are getting bought more and more. Things are getting more and more and more taken off the market as time goes on. I just feel that the reason for that is because people are becoming much more aware of how to invest in real estate and how doing real estate is actually going to go ahead and really help out with their retirement in the long haul. I mean, real estate has, people are more, how do I say this? People are more notified now the value that real estate brings than ever before, and also the big financial institutional investments are really coming in, which is what's really also zapping these inventory levels across the market. Days on market across sale. So if you take a look, yeah, 43.6%. I mean, you can see you can see exactly how the homes are getting taken off the market real fast, right? So a year ago was 39, this year is 22. There is going to be a huge surge of inventory that is going to be coming soon, I'm telling you. And then, as we go across the graphs, none of this is still surprising. The historical days on the market until sale correlates with all the graphs that we've seen before. Um, Median sales price. So last month was 342,500. This month is actually 350,000, and 315,000 was a year ago. 286 a year before that. So this just shows that, um, really, when it comes to my opinion, there is no better route or no better time to get in the market than now. Because I'm telling you, real estate is just going to keep appreciating year after year after year after year, right? Um, I mean, if you look at the banks and financial institutional investments, whenever they give out a mortgage loan, they're not giving what a mortgage loan or just a loan in general. They're not giving loans away for things like cryptocurrency, things like that. They're always giving away loans when it comes to real estate. And the reason why is because they know it's going to appreciate over time. So, my honestly, my opinion is that quit trying to time the market perfectly. You're never going to time the market perfectly. just get in when you can, and I'm telling you, over time, the value of your property is just gonna go up and up and up and up. All right. So as you can see, people are getting over list price. Not surprising. People are doing over list price without inspections. Not too long ago, they were doing 20,000, 40,000, 60,000 over asking price. So affordability. So, people essentially are buying things that they can't afford. It's always been like that. The month supply of homes for sale. Basically, what this means is that if nothing went up on the market, say like all new listings stopped, everything 100% quit, we would have about 1.4 months of inventory, which is actually very low. Again, inventory is still low, but expect that to bounce back up eventually. But that right there is pretty much the weekly housing report. Again, if you found any value on this, go ahead, smash the like button. Go ahead, press the subscribe button to be notified when future videos are released. If you would like free stock, there's actually links below the video to get your free stock from things like Robinhood, Webull, things of that nature. If you want to schedule a call with me to learn about the real estate industry or learn about joining eXp Realty, or even if you actually want to partner up with me on my team, all those links are actually down in the description below. Thanks everybody for tuning in, and we'll talk to you next time. This is Jacob Ferendorf signing out.